getting off for a little walkies with my boy because it's a nice day today, not too hot. Yeah. Becco, what are you doing? Why? You didn't want to carry it, and now you want to carry it. Okay, you carry it. Just like his mother. Can't make his mind up. Now you don't want to carry it again. Yeah, look what I got. Doing? No. I didn't tell you what he was doing then. Not us. Sorry for bouncing around a bit here. I don't mean to. I'll cut all that rubbish out. So, as I was saying, I might name this little vloggy. Can't get my head in there, prepare here. This little vloggy, a walk in the park. How original. Not. I mean, I'm never going to be a Casey Neistat number one. I'm twice his bloody age anyway. And he's a cool because he rides around on a motorised skateboard and all the other stuff, runs. I'm overweight, I'm reasonably healthy, and I'm not very cool. And with my vloggy, I'm going to call that a vloggy. Everyone else calls that a vlog. Call that a vloggy, my little vloggy. We've been moaning about me and my dog. And where do we go walking? You know, a whole bunch of duckies out there. You can have a look. There we are. Just a little quick walk in the park, have a look at the ducks, walk back home, see how we go.